Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to the quarter finale for quarter two Sport and DK Weight Yarn. You guys, again, just blew me away and how much you guys worked on in the second quarter. So I myself was a little bit of an overachiever this quarter. I double dipped significantly, it seems, but we've got FOs and works in progress still running. So I made a shawl. This is the Awakening shawl using Knit Picks Brava in currant and black. We have a little headscarf. This was using Yarn Bee Urban Chic. We have a little spider web collar, and those were all from May. Some of those from the Spook Your Spring Make Long. I'm going to give you guys the heads up. Pippin is in here and he's being a little cuckoo bananas. So if you hear him, just know he is 100% fine. He's just being a little silly pants. For the month of June, start something big. I started my shawl. This is also using Knit Picks Brava Sport, and I'm using 6 different colors for this one. I know it's like Tide Pool, Dove Gray, Pea Pod, and I can't remember the other colors off the top of my head. I did a review. No, I don't see it here. I reviewed the Mondo Llama kit. I just had it. I made the bag from that kit, and I did the wraps per inch, and that was also a sport. Oh, there it is. Sport weight yarn. So this was just a kit that I was reviewing. Review will be up soon, but that is a sport weight yarn. I put a significant amount of work into my scrap sport DK weight blanket here. So the beginning of the year, we were here. The beginning of the quarter, we were here. And we now worked another 1.5 feet, at least. That's almost 2 feet. So we have now turned our second corner, and we are now closing the gap to finish the blanket. So we did make significant progress. I now have some extra scraps that I'll be able to put in with this. So hopefully sometime in the next couple of weeks, we will get a little bit more done here. Let me set this to the side because we still have more projects left to go that I worked on. This is one of the few times, this quarter has been one of the very few times where I've kept up with you guys on making a lot of stuff or having my hands in a lot of stuff. I actually was rather impressed with myself. And I think I have forgotten some things as well, too. I did not make very good notes after the beginning of the quarter about what I've been working on. But I have my Warlock blanket in progress here. And this is just a whole bunch of scarf strips made from Mandala and Warlock and Knit Picks Brava Sport. I can't remember the name of the green color. I need to make one more green and then I'm ready to join these and then border them. I have the yarn to border them. Then I've got, this is a Premier DK Colors baby blanket, and I have the yarn that I will use to border that here. And then we have, this is another Cupcake or Mandala from Lion Brand baby blanket. And then we also have Snuggly Wuggly from Loops and Threads. So got 3 baby blankets, 1 full-size blanket, a shawl, a headscarf, a bag, 1 shawl done, 1 shawl in progress, a collar. I touched a lot. So very pleased with myself. got to be honest, I am very pleased with where I'm ending the quarter with these. I wish I had had time to border some of these baby blankets. I do have the yarn to border all of them now, but I ran out of time. Life has been lifing. I've been running behind. I feel like I'm constantly 3 days behind myself. So it is what it is. I mean, no complaints. Life is good. It's just busy. So that is where I am ending quarter 2. Quarter 3 is fingering weight yarn so that, at least like my walking socks and stuff won't count for the quarter projects. But yeah, let's check out what you guys have been working on. So you guys, we've just been in tandem for the quarter. We all just put in the work, put in the effort, and got stuff done. I am so pleased with how many projects we've been working on, with how much we have gotten done. I mean, you guys, when I'm setting out these prompts and these goals and things, y'all are 100% taking it, making it your own, and running with them. I am so incredibly lucky to have such an amazing subscriber base that you guys are coming back and participating quarter after quarter, month after month in these make-alongs. It's just been so much fun. So editing Carrie is going to pop in here real quick and let you guys know who I'm gifting a pattern for the quarter as a whole. So the 3 monthly make-alongs as well as the quarterly make-along. I'm either putting it here or I'm cutting in. But yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for playing. It is genuinely so much fun for me to see what you guys are working on. I'm not sure what order these are going up in. I am filming these a couple of days before the end of the quarter. I have somebody coming in to hopefully fix my AC upstairs. Hence the shiny, scraggly look here. So I am filming a little bit early, so I'm not quite sure how we're going to wrap up. I don't want to cut it short for you guys, so hence editing Carrie being so sweet. Again, thank you. I can't wait to see what you guys make in quarter 3. Don't forget, July's make-along is Christmas in July. So if you are making Christmas themed items, Christmas fair items, Christmas gifts for friends and family, now is the time to jump on in. So I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you all real soon. Bye, guys.